Welcome to this demonstration of the SMC Integrated Security Solution. Our system features an energy-efficient, invisible lock body and a dedicated smartphone application designed for seamless control. To begin the BLE pairing process, open the app and tap Add Device. Select your lock from the list and press Setup. Confirm the pairing prompt to establish a secure connection, then assign a unique name to your device for easy identification. Unlocking is effortless. Press the button within the app interface to engage the mechanism instantly. Our technology also supports efficient background processing. Even when the app is minimized, the connection remains active, allowing you to use a physical button to unlock the device without needing to reopen the application. For superior energy efficiency, we feature the WURX power-saving mode. You can wake the system directly through the app to wake up the system over a short distance. This showcase demonstrates how the wake-up feature allows for immediate unlocking while maintaining minimal power consumption. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us through the information provided. Thank you for watching.